Alright, have you ever wondered how pure petroleum is actually made and kept so pristine? Let me take you on a step-by-step journey from deep underground all the way to the storage tanks. So, first up, where does petroleum come from? Most of the world's petroleum is extracted from underground reservoirs, often buried thousands of meters below the Earth's surface. These reservoirs are usually formed from ancient marine organisms, think plankton and algae, that got buried under layers of sediment millions of years ago. Over time, heat and pressure turned that organic matter into the thick dark liquid we call crude oil. Now, drilling for petroleum is no small feat. Specialized drilling rigs, sometimes offshore on massive platforms, other times on land, bore straight down, often 1 to 3 kilometers deep or even more. In places like Saudi Arabia, Texas, and Russia, you'll find some of the world's largest oil fields, with wells reaching depths from about 2,000 meters all the way down to 6,000 meters. Imagine that, 6 kilometers straight down. Once the oil is tapped, it's not exactly pure. Crude oil comes mixed with water, gases, and sediments. Here's where the magic of refining comes in. The crude is piped to refineries where it goes through a process called fractional distillation. Basically, the oil is heated in giant towers, and as it vaporizes, different components separate out at different temperatures. The lighter stuff like gasoline rises to the top, while heavier stuff like diesel and lubricating oils drop lower. To get pure petroleum products, refineries use even more steps like cracking, reforming, and chemical treating to remove sulfur, nitrogen, and metals. But now you might be wondering, how do you keep it pure after all that work? The answer: airtight, corrosion-resistant storage tanks and pipelines. These tanks are often lined and sealed to keep out oxygen and moisture, which can degrade the petroleum. Sometimes the tanks are even blanketed with inert gases like nitrogen to prevent any unwanted chemical reactions. And when it's time to transport it, everything is meticulously monitored to prevent contamination, whether it's by pipeline, tanker ship, or truck. So next time you see a car driving down the road or a jet taking off, remember, every drop of fuel started as an ancient ocean lifeform, journeyed kilometers underground, was refined with cutting-edge science, and preserved with a whole lot of care. Petroleum's story is a wild ride from the depths of Earth right to the heart of modern life.